So you've done everything right, right? You went to school, climbed the corporate ladder, earned the title, maybe even got the matching Patagonia vest. And now you're making $200,000 a year, $300,000 a year, maybe more. But somehow, at the end of the month, you're left wondering, how do I make this much and still feel broke? You're not broke. You're just playing defense in a game that rewards offense. You see, earning a high income, that's the start. Definitely not the strategy. If you're only maxing your 401k, which is good, but you're also just crossing your fingers, leaving money on the table, tens of thousands of dollars, and giving away too much to taxes. So the real question isn't, am I saving? It's, am I scaling? Before we get tactical, this isn't financial advice. I'm not your CPA, your wealth advisor, or your uncle who talks about crypto at Thanksgiving. These are educational tips I've learned from years of trial, error, and talking to much smarter people than me. I'm just a guy on YouTube, and you need to talk to a professional to find out what fits for your life. Now let's talk about strategy number 1, the Backdoor Roth IRA. If you're a high income earner, you make too much to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. But guess what? There is a legal workaround. So how does the Backdoor Roth IRA work? First, you open a traditional IRA. Do it in Fidelity, E-Trade, whichever account works best for you. And you want to make sure you open a new traditional IRA, even if you already have one. And that's for clarity. It just keeps things cleaner. The second thing you want to do is contribute up to $7,000 in the current year. This current year being 2025. And if you're 50 and over, you can do $8,000. And this would be a non-deductible contribution. And then, ideally, the next business day, step number 3 is to convert that contribution into a Roth IRA. And you can do this annually. So why do you have to do that conversion to that Roth IRA by the next business day or as soon as you can? Because if you wait too long, the money may generate gains. And those are taxable during the conversion. So think of it like ordering a pizza. So you've got this pizza that you want to stick in the oven, that's the Roth, and you want to do so before it starts accumulating toppings, like capital gains. It's going to cost you extra. Why does this matter? Roth IRAs, they actually grow tax-free. And when you withdraw them for retirement, the withdrawals are tax-free. And they are not subject to required minimum distributions at retirement. You know, the Roth IRA is the set it and forget it of retirement money. And for high-income folks who've maxed their 401k, it's the Roth IRA, it's free growth on after-tax dollars that you'd otherwise just have sitting around. Now on to strategy number 2, the Health Savings Account, or the HSA. Now there's a triple tax win here. The first win, you contribute pre-tax. That's an automatic tax deduction. Number 2, the money grows tax-free. And that's just compounding magic. And then number 3, you can withdraw for medical expenses. And when you do so, also tax-free. But HSA eligibility comes with a catch. To qualify, you need to be on a high deductible health plan. Let's move on to strategy number 3, ETFs, or exchange traded funds. So ETFs are another example of tax efficiency. You know, I get it. Mutual funds, they were the golden child of the 90s. But now, they're like fax machines, completely outdated and messy with paperwork. So why are ETFs better? lower turnover, which equals fewer taxable events. Who doesn't want to pay less taxes? And that's pretty much been the theme of this whole video. Second reason why ETFs are better, in-kind redemption structure. They don't trigger capital gains when investors pull out. And then the third, index ETFs like VTI or SCHD, those are the ticker symbols for those specific ETFs. They are especially efficient. And why this matters to you. This isn't your Roth strategy number 1 or HSA strategy number 2. This is your taxable brokerage account. The money you're investing after you've already maxed out your 401k, the Roth, and the HSA. And you want it to grow without kicking off yearly capital gains. All of this, the Roth, the HSA, the ETF strategies, it's not just about saving on taxes, it's about scaling towards financial freedom. You're working hard now. These tools help make sure that when you're ready to slow down or speed up on what you really care about, you've got the income and the flexibility to do it. That's powerful. Here's your action plan. First, nicely done. You've already maxed out your 401k. Number 2, contribute to a non-deductible traditional IRA and then convert it to a Roth IRA the next business day. Number 3, max your HSA if it's right for you. Number 4, use tax-efficient ETFs. This will be your taxable account for smart, low-drama growth. Number 5, track it all with a retirement calculator to see if you are on pace towards meeting your retirement savings goals. Remember, building wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with what you've already earned. Last reminder. Again, I am not your advisor. What I've just walked through are smart, proven strategies, but your life is unique. So talk to a financial pro. Please don't wing your wealth. If this video helped you realize you've got next level money moves to make, give it a like. And if you're building a life that doesn't do average, then hit that subscribe button. This is Uplift Wallet, your playbook for smart money. And don't forget to check out our parent channel, Uplift Current, for wellness, motivation, and mindset for high performers like you.